all of you might not know that we need to go through before you guys are here. Some of them, they happen at district, some of them, they happen at head office. And to you guys, nginanibona senibizwa nje senikhethiwe senihleli la not knowing what we've been through. So that is why and we are really excited to see that what we planned 2 months ago now it's happening. And we are also equally excited that we are able, colleagues, to house you in decent places like this one. And it is always our intention that we treat everybody with respect so that they get decent places to sleep and work, but sometimes it's not possible because of cost-cutting measures. Uzongichazela kubaba uManganye ukuthi how did we manage ukuthi silale la imali ivelephi and so on and so on. My colleagues is to mainly focus on why we are here. It's very humbling, colleagues, that the colleagues from FET and the colleagues from GET are together and we are trying to address issues that are a concern to all of us. And at the end of the day, colleagues, we can only measure the success of this program when what you are developing reach teachers. So that's the ultimate goal. We are therefore saying to our top teachers, without you, colleagues, we would have developed material, but maybe one or two things might have been a little bit irrelevant because some of us have not been in class for some time. We might have the content and know the latest developments and so on, but as the world is changing, so are the caliber of learners that we have. You guys, you know how to treat the current ones, Ababa Bezangani, Ngama 2000. Yes, so as a result, you might really downplay the importance of you as top teachers to be here, but to us, that's a massive and one of the greatest achievements, colleagues. If you can just give yourself a big round of applause. And colleagues, we value you, we appreciate you, and you must not take it light. Out of all the teachers in your districts, they chose you to come and represent the districts in the province. So that is not something small. And as a result, colleagues, that's on its own. It makes you to be on the spotlight. It makes you to be scrutinized. Why him? Why her? That is why we know we have chosen you because we are already developed, you have confidence. But we want to add to that confidence. That is why, and when you are here, colleagues, take this very serious. Because at the end of the day, they will be scrutinizing your material. What is this? I'm saying that in Zulu, and then I have to say that in English. When you go back, they will be scrutinizing your material, and they will be saying, hey, they were at South Beach for so many days, and this is the best that they could come up with. You understand? So that is why it is very important that we come out here with quality documents. And we make sure that we do things properly, and let us not lose the focus. The main issue here, colleagues, is that when we teach, we don't recognize all the cognitive levels. But when we assess, hey, this question is level 1, this one, there is no level 5. But when you do your informal questions and so on in classroom, you don't prepare learners for those tough questions. And when we were in Japan, colleagues, and I'm not trying to brag when I was. I'm not trying to do that to be when I was. Yeah, but it's a fact, and when we were in Japan for mathematics, you know, we learned that, we learned how they are winning in mathematics. It's only just the way they teach and the way they ask questions. You know, you will look at what the things they do with us sometimes. Once a learner says a correct answer, you said good, well done. You don't know whether they got this answer by chance or they really know how to go all the steps and so on. There, even if you are right, you need to demonstrate how did you reach the correct answers. And when you are wrong, you are not shamed and say, no, that's wrong. They want to find out, you go in front with your wrong answer. And you say, this is what I did, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on, and then I reach this answer. Then the teacher will realize, where did they go wrong? And you might find that it's not only that particular child who got a wrong answer, but there were so many with the same misconception or with the same misunderstanding, but maybe the other ones and then the fact that this is also discussed, it gives them an opportunity for the teacher to see where did they go wrong and how do I address 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colleagues. So, at the end of the day, sometimes the teacher will introduce a lesson. They will not even say, now we are introducing dozens. The learners, they will discover as they move, oh, this is a dozen. A dozen is made out of 12 and so on and so on and so on. You know, so and at the end of the day, colleagues, the way we teach, the methodology will make us or break us. So colleagues, that is why I am saying, let us not lose focus on what are the activities. Let us look at how we are phrasing these questions. I was looking at the questions there, colleagues. Some of them I was not very happy with them. And then I see we are still walking in the same path that we are trying to correct. I'm not saying they are wrong, but I am saying this is not a formal assessment task, and it. These are informal questions, these are activities, but let us make sure in these activities, colleagues, that some of them are thought-provoking. Let us look at how we phrase these questions so that at least what we are trying to achieve will do so. And my comment is not, I'm not criticizing, but I am saying I've noted 1 or 2 things. I said, no, that question I wouldn't have phrased like that. Maybe it's because I'm not an NS person, I don't know. But maybe even if not, I'm not an NS person, but I can still see that the phrasing of this question is not what I would like to. We are here together. As I said earlier, all of us want to succeed, want to shine. So at the end of the day, colleagues, the comments and critiques, take them as something positive to shape you, to make it better, because at the end of the day, when you live here, this work, it will not be for this table or that table, it will be for all of us, it will be a departmental work. So colleagues, we really just want to thank you for being here with all of us, all the different categories, the colleagues from or advisor, the top teachers, and in some other venues I saw also quality assurance. I'm not sure whether they are here or not. And I'm here with Director of Teacher Development. Maybe some of you are saying, but their teacher development, why are they not here? if you look at the nature of the work that we are doing here, you will see that it requires just a specialist. What we are doing here now, it requires a specialist, but when we started the program, teacher development through Mr. Manganye at head office, we were working hand in glove with him, and he will probably allude to what exactly did he assisted us with. So colleagues, really, you are our pride, and we really appreciate what you are doing, and all the best, and we are hoping that in few years to come, we will see the fruits of our work as we incrementally present this to teachers. We will not be able to reach all teachers this year, colleagues. We are talking about thousands and thousands. We are targeting a certain number of teachers. We will see if it will be possible to reach all of them. And next year, incrementally, we will also be targeting all our teachers. And lastly, colleagues, I urge you, especially the top teachers, to say, don't desert us. It's nice to be with you here and do this materials development. As I'm saying, this is a start. The bigger job is when we go and present to teachers. So please, colleagues, we are saying, let us all be there when we go and present to teachers. I know, colleagues, there will be those few who will have some excuses, some of them justified ones, some of them unjustified, but please, colleagues, if you have some challenges, let us know. Let us know well in advance. Some challenges might be bigger than you, they might be justified. Maybe if you raise them well in advance, we'll be able to assist and therefore maybe correct whatever is happening. But don't sit there and send a WhatsApp number message and count me out. You know, there are people like that. A program is tomorrow, and then that person will send an SMS or WhatsApp saying count me out, just like that. So colleagues, let us not be count me out. Let us be dedicated and take this program very seriously. Big money has been invested in you, colleagues. Akudlali ukuthi amahhotela wonke beachfront ugcwale nina. So e-department really has invested in you. Thank you so much, colleagues.